Welcome back, everyone. This is Mr. Tipton, and today we are converting with proportions. We know how to solve proportions. Now we're going to apply that ability to doing some real-world things, and we're going to start by converting different units. Here are the 4 steps that we're going to use to convert. They don't make a whole lot of sense right now, but they will when we start doing our examples. So pause if you need to and write the 4 steps down. What do I have? What do I want? Labels, and what do I know? And when you're ready, let's get going. Here we have 5 pounds is equal to how many ounces? I guess I should label this as example 1. 5 pounds is equal to how many ounces? Step 1 is what do I have? Well, what am I starting with? I'm starting with 5 pounds. That's what I have. Step 2, what do I want? Well, I want to know how many ounces are in 5 pounds. I'm going to go ahead and put those ounces underneath the 5 pounds. 5 pounds is how many ounces? I'm creating a proportion here that we can solve. Third step is labels. On the labels step, you're going to take the labels that you already have in the numerator and the denominator, and you're going to move them to the other ratio. Pounds and ounces, pounds and ounces. Your fourth step, what do I know? Well, what do we know about pounds and ounces? We should know that in 1 pound, there are 16 ounces. And once all that's filled in, now we're ready to use our cross products to solve for x. Here we have x times 1 is equal to 16 times 5. X times 1, or 1 times x, is just x. And 16 times 5 is 80. So there we go. In 5 pounds, there are 80 ounces. Not too tough. Let's try another. Here we have how many cups are in 28 fluid ounces. Fluid ounces are different than regular ounces. One is weight, one is capacity. But we're going to use the same 4 steps. What do we have? What are we starting with? 28 fluid ounces. I'm going to abbreviate. Call it FLAs. Step 2, what do I want? Well, we want to know how many cups. So we're going to put that underneath. Third step is to label. Just keep our same labels and move them over. We have to have the same labels going horizontally. And fourth step, what do I know? What do we know about fluid ounces and cups? There are 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup. And now we're ready for cross products. X times 8 is equal to 1 times 28. X times 8 is 8x. 1 times 28 is 28. And then we divide to get x by itself. X is equal to 3.5. Alright, so there are 3.5 cups in 28 fluid ounces. We know how to solve proportions. We're just using that to convert. One more. Oh, a mixed number. 3 1/4 miles is how many feet? What do I have? What do I want? I want to know how many feet. Third step is labels. Keep the same labels horizontal. And step 4, what do I know? What do we know about miles and feet? In 1 mile, there is 5,280 feet. Cross products. X times 1 is equal to 5,280 times 3 1/4. Or if you're going to put it in your calculator, yeah, you can put 3 1/4 in your calculator. You might just do 3.25 if it's easier. And when you multiply that, we get 17,160 feet. 17,160 feet in 3 1/4 miles. So that's converting with proportions. If you have questions, write them down, and we'll see you soon.